gets colder. My eyes go dim as I get older. Pieces, bloody and bruised. I feel so helpless and confused. 'Cause I hear screaming on the left, yelling on the right. I'm sitting in the middle trying to live my life. 'Cause I can't stop the war, the shelter homeless, feed the poor. I can't walk on water, I can't save your sons and daughters. Well, I can't change the world and make things fair. The least that I can do, the least that I